Hi, my name is Mrs. Tolf and I'm going to teach you how to play the Raceway game. It's a fun game you can play with flashcards. It can be math equations, sight words, letters and sounds, numbers, whatever you'd like to learn about. I actually made my own game board. So I made a Raceway and I divided it up into different parts and I added some words, but you can add whatever you like that you'd like to learn about. To play, all you need is something that you can play for a game piece. I found these little cards. You can use Matchbox cars. You can even use little animals if you want to, food, noodles, or also even some Legos. I made this Lego car. You also will need a dice or something to spin with, something that you can go around, or you can even choose numbers out of a bowl. To play, all you do is roll the dice, and then you put your game pieces at the start. And if I rolled a 3, I'm the green card, I'm going to move 3, 1, 2, 3, and I have to read the word. I'm working on contractions today, so my word is don't. If I can't read the word, then you can just play where you just practice it, or you can lose a turn, whatever you'd like, or you have to go back to start. You make the rules, then your partner goes. Your partner rolls a 2, say 1, 2, the word is couldn't. I threw in some things like crash, where you have to go back to start, or a flat tire where you have to move back, so you can add some things. It'd be fun for your kids to make these game boards too. I hope you have fun playing the Raceway game. Enjoy!